So, what do you do with user manuals that you get when you buy a new appliance or a tool, whatever? Do you toss them? Do you file them? Most people, at least a lot of my clients, just throw them in a junk drawer. Here's the problem with that, that you may not be able to find them when you need them. Now, of course, you could always try to Google the user manual, online, but it could be frustrating. It could be time consuming if you don't know the model number, the serial number, so that you find the correct one. So I've got a few tips for you. But before we do that, my name is Brenda Tringali. I'm the owner of At Your Fingertips Organizing, and I am a certified professional organizer. So these are my tips. So first of all, evaluate if you really need to keep the manual. Let me give you an example. I received a beautiful set of wind chimes from a dear friend several years ago. Yes, they came with a manual. Did I really need to keep the manual to figure out how to use them, how to hang them? I think not, because I'm not an idiot, right? But did I keep the manual? I did. Maybe I am an idiot. I don't know. Obviously not. But I'm sharing this with you to let you know that we all make crazy decisions sometimes. Don't beat yourself up. Learn to laugh at yourself instead. Now, if you want or need to keep them, establish a home for your user manual. So maybe you keep them all together in a drawer in a filing cabinet, or maybe in a banker's box, or a central location for all your manuals. That's one solution. Another one would be maybe you put them, maybe their home, quote unquote home, is in the room where you use them. So for example, in the kitchen, maybe you have a binder or a file for all your kitchen related manuals. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about the fridge, the stove, the dishwasher. So, sometimes, I don't know about you, but, I need to look them up to figure out, okay, how do I do the self-clean on the oven, whatever. So that's one option. And then another option is to keep them with the actual product itself. So, for example, one of my favorite organizing tools is my laser tape measurer. But because I don't use it all the time, I sometimes forget how to use it. So I keep the user manual or the instructions right in the box so that I can easily access it if I want or need to. And here's my last tip, which is one of my favorites. If you're tech savvy, another fantastic way to to save them or to store them is to digitize them, store them in the cloud so they are accessible to you no matter where you are 24/7. That's my favorite. I have a lot of my manuals digitized, and it's great. But if you have a partner who is not tech savvy, it may not be the ideal solution. So think of all the people who will be using them. So anyway, what am I purging today? I'll be purging some manuals, probably the one for the wind chimes. I think it's about time. The question is, what will you purge today? Let us know by commenting below. And please join us tomorrow for yet another decluttering tip. I can't wait. I don't know what it will be. Even if I did, I wouldn't tell you. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you then. Take care. Bye.